it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited. Amazon came today, and I love when Amazon comes. It's like you get an email saying it's about to be delivered, and then you get an email saying it's waiting on your front porch, and you're working, and you're like, oh, I just want to go out and grab my package. And then when you get it, you realize, wait a second, I'm a YouTuber and I can't open this until my craft area is presentable and I can do an unboxing. So that's what we had today, and I'm super excited to be able to open this with you guys. This is one of the gifts that is being sent out for our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That announcement was already made. The winners are already selected, and this is one of the 3 light pads that are being given out. I talked to my amazing friend at Amazon from HomeCraftology, and he was like, you know what, I would like to have our company give a light pad towards your giveaway. So instead of 2 light pads, I was able to give 3 out because of this. I love giving back to you guys. Most of my reviews, I turn back around and give back to you guys because you are what makes it happen. You are the all-stars. So let's dive in. I'm using my handy dandy slicer that I got from AliExpress. I love the fact that it opens and shuts kind of as a safety. It's small. It sits right here on my desk. Let's open this baby up. Woo! I love how they package it. This should be an A4 diamond painting light pad hiding in here. And look, it's an LED copy board. USB, it's 0.6 centimeters thin, adjustable brightness with scale. I don't know what that means. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay, so they have pencils in here. They have a stand. They have some, now I blue clips, but this is pink because it matches the case. Last time I did a review, I recommended, hey, I would love if you had an actual USB plug-in to the wall converter adapter, and they've now added it. So that's amazing. 5 stars, people. They listen to us. And then this goes into the light pad itself. This can go into your computer or into this or any other charger that you have that has a USB port. And this is a customer service card. Beautiful. And this person is going to be super blessed because I believe this is the only light pad I have that comes with a bag. Look at this. Oh my gosh, people. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. It has your centimeters up here. On the back it has little pads, which I absolutely love. It's amazing quality. Let's plug it in. I'm going to plug it into my computer over here. So I'm plugging the USB port into my computer. And I'm going to plug this in here. All right, look at that. And then you hit it again and again. Oh my gosh, it's got 3 settings. It's super bright. Oh, I could just play with that all day. Awesome. And the lovely winner is going to get this awesome stand for, I don't know, maybe I'll keep this stand. I might keep this. I'll give the winner, you can thumbs down me, okay? Fine. But I might give the winner everything else, and I might keep the stand. Let's see here. Yeah, so I can have my iPad. I can be diamond painting and watching you guys. Just got to make sure it gets in there. Awesome. Okay, perfect. All right. So yeah, isn't this a beautiful light pad? I absolutely love it. It's got a texture to it that it almost protects it. If you guys can see it, let me see if I can get you close enough. Sorry for, you can kind of see, yeah, there you go. It's got a little bit of a texture to it. Sorry for the bounce of the, but I love that texture because it helps the stability of the light pad. I have it on this one right here underneath that I use. And you can see what I have underneath is an A3, and an A3 is double the size. All right, so this is an A4 next to an A3. I am dreaming of an A2. That may be something I get myself once the book is released. An A2, which is bigger. It's double the size of an A3. The larger the number of your iPad, the smaller the iPad. So an A4, an A5 is super small, and then an A4, A3, and then an A2 is, you know, about a 40 by 50, I think, size. So yes, I'm so excited. I think this is going to Jill because Jill was the #1 name drawer. So Jill, I hope you enjoy this. And please continue to subscribe if you want more giveaways. We're having a July birthday bash. Not only is it my birthday in July, but it's also my YouTube birthday. So every Friday night, we're going to have a small party and giveaways and goodies. And we're just going to have a lot of fun on the channel for the month of July. So I'm super excited. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of what's coming up, Drill With Me's Tips and Tuesdays, Stash and Sundays, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love you to be a part of our family. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.